In the quiet of the night, raindrops fall, a gentle rhythm on the rooftop, a soothing call. Each drop a note, a whispered melody. Nature's symphony sets my spirit free. Pitter-patter on the glass like a gentle song, echoes of a lullaby that's never wrong. Whispering secrets to the silent air, raindrops dance without a care. Raindrops falling down, serenade so sweet. In the heart of the night, where dreams and raindrops meet. Every beat a rhythm, every sound a sigh. Raindrops serenade beneath the twilight sky. Under the cover of the clouds so gray, find the beauty in the rainy day. Tiny rivers form and sway, guided by the songs they play. Listen close, feel the magic in the air. Raindrops tap a rhythm rare. Just for tonight, let the rain declare all the secrets that it dares.